masabi ko lang po, yung mga participants po, yung are they team? And kung team siya, ano po yung composition?
So, under 19 is team play. Composition is 2 boys and 2 girls. So, ano siya, yun yung composition ng team.
So, dapat 4 sila.
4 sila.
In every team.
In every team, yes.
So, and then, puro doubles lang, sir?
Yes, walang singles na game. So, double. So, men's, boys doubles, women's doubles, then mixed doubles and mixed doubles. So, 4 games yun. So, they have to play all 4 and by point system.
Pag nag-tie,
Yeah.
yeah.
So,
You can explain
sure.
that. Yeah.
So each team has two boys and 2 girls. When 2 teams play each other, first we start with the men's doubles match. So the 2 boys from each team play each other. Then the 2 ladies from each team play each other, and then 2 mixed doubles matches. If at the end of those 4 it's 2-2, we do something called we call a dream breaker, which is a singles format for a tiebreaker.
Okay.
It's very dramatic, always very fun when the crowd goes crazy when there's a dream breaker.
Sabi mo, sir, is it's a point system. So, per team.
Yeah, minsan kasi nag-draw talaga sila. May draw talaga. If you win 2 games each, mag-tie, then that's the tiebreaker.
So doubles, the tournament format is doubles, but with tawag ito, if there is a tiebreaker,
Tiebreaker yung singles.
so single, so
Yes.
ano po sino po yung mananalo, individuals or yung team?
Team. So the PCL will bring the whole team to China.
Okay. So
Hindi isa lang, 4, yung buong 4 will go.
Buong team.
Yeah.
how about the tournament format? Is it a round robin?
Single round.
Single round.
Okay.
Each team will earn points.
Yes.
Opo.
And the top 4 will go to semifinals.
Pwede si Sir, bigyan ng mic si Sir para may sound
So you
bites.
can sit there.
Okay. I can
Sir, to answer your question, we have 6 teams as of now. So the 6 teams will single round. Then the top 4 will go to the semifinals, and the top 2 will go to the finals. So the winner sa finals, yung buong team nila is dadalhin natin sa China.
So how many match po per team?
Five.
6 teams, 5 yun.
Five.
Single round.
Single round.
So after that, so doon na yung ma-apply yung point system.
Doon na yung, yeah.
Dun sa single round, dun ma-apply kung 1 point dun sa mananalo. Then yung top 4,
Top 4 lang kunin.
yung top 4 lang yung kukunin para maglaban, semis and then finals.
Based sa points na na-earn nila.
Yes po.
During-
Pero yung parang ang gusto mong malaman, yung team na yon, yung 4 na, yung 5 laro nila, ang ano nun, 1 point lang talaga yun. 1 point lang talaga yun, ma-earn ng team. 1 point lang talaga.
So each game, pag manalo sila, 1 point yun.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, do you have an additional?
So, para klaro, yung per game, 4 na games, no?
5.
So, wait, 4 muna. Kung,
4.
pag 4 points siya, pag nag-draw, mayroon tayong singles para to determine sino ang manalo. So, who wins, 1 point na siya. First 5, you'll do that 5 times. So, pataasan kayo. So, top 4, so kung may naka-5 doon, may naka-4, yun ang top 4 doon. And dalawa ang maglaban sa semis, then finals.
First to, ano pa? Ilang points po?
Rally system yung...
Rally system, up to
21.
with freeze.
Yes.
With freeze.
So yun yung tournament format po.
Yes,
Yung under 19.
Under 19.
Sa under 19.
Sa under 19 lang siya, sir, applicable. Kasi yung adults natin, it's a standard side-out pointing system tayo.
Okay. Last na lang, sir, you said kanina about the issue of sandbagging because I really watch so many videos about this, no? Na there are people na they are nagre-register sila for a novice, pero yung skill nila, it's either a retired tennis player.
Yes. So, yeah, I'm sure nagalaro talaga to. Parang experience pa, speaking by experience now. So, but, totoo yan, hindi natin maiwasan. Kasi, because of Duper, hopefully, ma-trim down natin, ma-balance out. But, wala pa rin, hindi siya foolproof, no? So, may mga ganon. But, alam namin, ang mahirap kasi, like in Davao, we know the players. Pero kung galing sa ibang province, hindi mo nakilala. So, yung pala, tennis player siya doon, or ganon. So, honesty system, no? So, wala tayong magawa. But, if we know the people na who are intermediate tapos sa novice, we put them on their spots.
So this is open pala, so hindi lang for Davao City.
Yes, so everybody. Yung mga natalo sa Manila, pwede magpunta dito sa Davao. Then, sino matalo dito, pwede kayo magpunta ng Cebu para mag-qualify. So, ganun yung ating yung format. So, maraming chance na manalo.
By chance, sir, kunwari makita ng officiating team na, nag-register dito na novice or intermediate.
Tapos magaling.
Tapos, ang stroke niya, yung
strokes niya.
palo niya, grabe, matindi, mabigat.
Hindi na natin yun pwede baguhin kasi masira na yung buong format.
So, hindi siya pwede ma-DQ. It's because of...
Hindi, kahirap, no? Mahirap masyado. Mabash tayo niyan sa social media.
Sir, bye. Before we, nagkaroon kami ng cut-off para makita namin yung mga players. So, kung nakita nung local organizer namin dito na nagsasandbag siya, so, nino-notify namin siya na ililipat namin siya sa higher category kasi unfair naman sa iba. So, kaya rin hindi kami naglagay ng cash prize sa tournament namin. Kasi nakausap ko yung one of the ng DUPR. Ang lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, if you will put money na sa mga hindi open category, kunyari, maglagay tayo ng prize money sa novice, intermediate, and high intermediate, lahat ng tao magsasandbag definitely dyan. So, pag ganun yung category, mas maganda, bigyan na lang natin sila medal or something na paddle. Pero kung maglalagay tayo ng cash prize, ilagay natin siya sa open category para walang magsasabi na ito malakas to, ito ganito to, ito ganito to. At least doon sa open category, alam mo, pag sumali ka doon, lahat ng kalaban mo malakas. So wala kang dahilan para magreklamo. To be fair sa lahat. So ayun lang po yung sinunod namin na format.
So magkano yung cash prize for the open?
Wala. Hindi, as of now, hindi rin kami naglagay. Honestly, yung pag sa Manila kasi taga Manila kami, doon hindi kami naglalagay ng cash prize minsan na okay sa kanila. Now, nalaman namin sa pag-iikot namin dito in 2 weeks, gusto pala ng mga taga Visayas and Mindanao kahit paano may cash prize. So, alam na namin. So next time, baka i-consider na namin siya. Pero sa open category lang. Pero hindi dun sa below open. Para wala talagang issue na sandbagging, nandaya o something.
So all in all, sir, ilan yung participants coming from under 19 up to the open category?
Yung open, yung 176 lahat yung participants for the first 3 days. Then, yung sa under 19, parang 6. As of now, 6.
Pero parang may humahabol pa.
6 teams. Pero parang may maghabol.
Yes, sir.
6 teams composed of 4.
Yes po.
6 teams.
Yung sa under 19.
Yes po.
How about other categories like novice and intermediate?
Ayun, 176.
Ayun yun
Yun
total.
total.
Okay, thank you po.
That's why it's under 19 was the focus. But because of not so many players yet, we opened it to the intermediate novice. And, so the prices they can get, the registration is $100, $1.5. So that's around 12,000 pesos. But each player gets one paddle that costs 12,000 pesos. 2 paddles, yeah, each. So in prices, it's around 100,000 per team. So, bawi na. 12,000 ang registration mo, 120,000 ang in freebies. Also maraming nagtatanong bakit walang cash prize. Wala kaming cash prize kasi ayaw namin ng sandbagging, no. So we don't like people to come here just because of the money. So we like it. So 3,000 per team, but ang prices namin sa freebies 4,000 na. If you win, if you finish, podium finish, you get 1 paddle each. Sobra pa sa bawi. But people, they don't see it like that. So they always look at the cash prize. So it's so hard to explain. Pero, well, anyway, next year, when we're bigger, we're better, we will explain it more. And maybe we'll give a cash prize na lang din.
And I want to thank our paddle sponsors, Ram Sports, who I work with, who've been very generous, and then RPM. For those who don't know who RPM is, it's a brand founded by a player named James Ignatowicz, who's one of the top 5 players in the world. He's now moved here to Asia and spends a lot of time. He's been to the Philippines a few trips already. They're very generously given all these paddles for us. So yeah, we feel like every team is a winner. Every team will walk away with way more in goods than they paid for, and a chance to learn. And then again, one team will have a chance to go even further. And James and a number of the pros sponsored by Ram Sports will be at the finals in China to teach these players and to give them additional training. So it's really going to be a great experience for them.
Just to add also, we're introducing the under-19 together with PCL this year. Hopefully next year. Kasi if you look at the videos in social media, na medyo mga bata, it's more of the learning that sport muna eh. So competitive-wise, medyo wala pa eh. So hopefully by next year, there is actually more teams that can actually join this tournament again.